This is question 45 from section B of the 2018 PBSAA paper.
In this question, we're told about a piece of DNA which is made up of two complementary strands, each of them being 25 bases long. We're told that 14 of these bases are adenine, and based on that, we need to work out which two out of these four statements are correct. So before we get to the statements, we need to think about the information we have. We've got 14% of our bases, and we've got two strands, 25 bases long, that's 50 bases in total, and we need to work out the numbers of each different type of base. The reason we need to do that is looking through our options here, we need to work out the various numbers of adenine and cytosine, adenine and guanine, etc. Also worth noting that 50% of bases is the same as 25 bases, since we have 50 bases in total. Okay, so we've got 14% adenine. Well, that must mean, since adenine pairs with thymine, there must be 14% thymine. We've got 50 bases in total, so we can just halve that to find the number of adenine and thymines, because 14% of 50 is 7. Okay, so now that we've worked that out, we can think that we've got 36 bases left, because these two add to 14. Those 36 bases must all be guanine and cytosine, and they must be equally divided between the two. So we've got 7 adenines, 7 thymines, 18 of both guanine and cytosine. Now that we know that, we can approach our questions. We know that these two statements, which are just raw statements of the number of bases, are both wrong, because we have 7 for thymine and 18 for guanine. Now that means the other two statements must be true, but let's just double check. Adenine and cytosine together, is that 25? 7 and 18, yep, that's 25. And the same goes for the second statement. So those are both, because adenine and guanine are both 25 when added together. So we have our answer, which is that 1 and 2 are correct, and therefore our answer is going to be option A,